Hey everyone, so this is day 6, already day 6. So are you ready to open yours if you're opening yours with me? So let's just dive straight in. No messing about. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, we have a couple of snowflakes. Oh, they are cute. And are they flat back? No, they're curved. So we need to think up a design for these. They're very pretty and they're actually a good size because I have, obviously, as you know, I have very small nail beds. So yeah, they're not a bad size at all. Ooh, so let me go off, get a tip, and we shall do a design. Okay, see you in a sec. Okay, so I thought I would do another purple one. This is another gel polish that I got from Faye. And it is this beautiful purple. If the camera will focus, it's beautiful purple. So yeah, let's just stick this straight on, shall we? As this video won't take too long to do, so I thought I would just do it in normal speed. So this will need 2 coats. I have buffed this nail tip just because I find that these ones do need buffing. So that's the first coat, so I will stick that in. So let's apply the second coat. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Wow, this is one beautiful colour. Oh, wow. So that is 2 coats of it there. I may even go in for a third. Yep, I'm going to go in for a third. I thought I would. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is my kind of purple. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh, right, I'm just going to cure this. I also thought I would use this stamping plate. So this is one of the newborn pretty ones. And I thought I would use this Born Pretty stamping polish. And this is called Flowing Clouds. Just because it's like not in your face. It's kind of like shimmery pearly kind of type of thing. So let's decide what are we going to do. So we've got this to put on. You can't even see it, so we've got that to go on. So I think I'm only going to stamp one image from this. So I think probably this one. I know you can't see what I'm going to stamp. I just thought this one was quite pretty. And then I will place it on top of it. That is the image that we've got. So there you go. And then we will just move this out of the way without dragging everything with me. Then we shall get the top coat. Where is it? Emily again, as always. I do love my Emily top coat. I really do. I should have been a lot more organised today. Very slow one today. So let's put the top coat on. I was thinking, because there's so many people opening Charlie's advent calendars, and then I have my other ones as well. Would you guys prefer if I just opened them all in one video? It's absolutely fine if you would prefer me to do that. That's absolutely fine. I don't mind doing that. I don't mind just, you know, maybe doing a couple of more designs and then just doing it just as one big opening video. I really don't mind. I'll smooth it up a bit. As I said in my other ones, if you guys just let me know what you want me to do, because I know there is a lot of us kind of doing like the opening videos, and I can imagine it's probably getting quite boring now. There you go. I will cure this and then I shall come right back. Okay, this is the snowflake charm from Charlie's. What do you guys think? Such pretty base, and I love this snowflake. I just wanted to do something a little bit different rather than blue or white. Yeah, I just wanted to do something a little bit different. It's beautiful. Oh, I love that purple. It's stunning. So yeah, let me know down below what you'd prefer. Would you prefer me not to do designs when opening the advent calendar? Would you rather me just do them all together? It's entirely up to you. I don't mind either way. But anyway, don't forget my discount code if you make an order from Charlie's, and let me know what you think about this. And yeah, hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.